Good morning, children. Hope you are doing well. Today, we will learn about singular and plural. From the words itself, singular stands for single, means one person, place, animal or thing. And plural stands for more than one person, place, animal, bird or thing. So singular means one, plural means many. Let us read the following sentences. We all have one mouth, two hands, 10 fingers and 2 feet. Now the noun mouth. There is one mouth. So one means singular. So mouth is singular. But if you look at hands, fingers and feet, they are all more than one. So all these three nouns become plural. So children, a singular noun stands for one person, place, animal, bird or thing. A plural noun stands for more than one person, place, animal, bird or thing. Now let us see different ways of making plural nouns from singular nouns. The most common way of making plurals are as follows. First one is very simple. You only have to add s to the singular noun. Tail will become tails. Rat becomes rats. And room plural becomes rooms. So all these have made plural only by adding s to the singular noun. In the second way, by adding es to the singular noun. But here there is one rule. Es is added to only those singular nouns that end in these alphabets. O, X, CH, SH and SS. Let us see some examples. Mango ends with O. So I have to add ES and make it mangoes. Box ends with X. So add ES, it becomes boxes. Church ends with CH. So add ES and make it churches. Brush ends with SH. Add ES to make the plural brushes. Lass ends with SS. So add ES to it to make the plural lasses. There are some exceptions that don't use this rule. Like kilo, the plural is kilos. Photo is photos. Piano, plural is pianos. And radio, the plural will be radios. All these nouns also end in O. But here the rule does not apply. Here you just have to add S to the singular and make it plural. The third way is by changing Y of the singular noun into I and then add ES. So this rule is for all the nouns ending in Y. Let's see the examples. Lady ends with Y. So according to the rule, you have to remove Y and add I plus ES. So the plural will be LADIES, ladies. Second example, baby. Again it ends with Y. So remove Y, add I and ES. So babies. In this, there is one more rule, children. If the Y is preceded by a vowel, then you just have to add S. That means before the Y, if there is a vowel, then you don't have to change it to IES. You have to only add S. Let's see some examples. Boy ends with Y, but before Y, which is the letter? O. And O is a vowel. So I will use this new rule and only add S to boy. Plural becomes boys. Key, again it ends with Y, but before Y there is a vowel E. So I have to add S to key and make the plural keys. Ray, before Y there's A, which is a vowel. So add S to ray and make it rays. In the next type, by changing the final F or FE of the singular noun into V and adding ES. So this rule is for all the nouns that end with F or FE. If they end with F or FE, you have to remove them. Remove F and FE and add V. And after V, add ES. Let us see some examples. Calf ends with F. So I will remove F and add VES. Calves. Knife ends with FE. So remove FE and add VES. Knives. Leaf ends with F. So remove F and then add VES. Plural becomes leaves. Again here, there are some nouns where the rule doesn't apply. So the exceptions are Gulf ends with F, but we do not use this rule. We only add S. Plural becomes gulfs. Cliff, cliffs. Safe, safes. Handkerchief, handkerchiefs. Some singular nouns form their plurals in uncommon ways. Example, by changing the inside vowel of the singular noun. For example, man. What is the inside vowel? A. When I make man to plural form, the A changes to E and the plural becomes men. Same for woman. A, the vowel, changes to E. So the plural becomes women. Mouse, OU changes to ICE. Mice. In foot, both the vowels O change to E and the plural becomes feet. The same for tooth. Both the vowels O change to E and become teeth. For collective nouns, they take an S in the plural form. Team, teams. Herd, herds. Bouquet, bouquets. And there are some singular nouns which remain the same in the plural form. So the words are the same in singular and plural. These nouns are aircraft, cot, deer, equipment, furniture, sheep, spacecraft, trout, and series. So all these words will have the same in singular and plural form. Certain nouns are always in the plural. They have no singular form. Which are those nouns? Clothes, goods, pants, police, savings, scales, spectacles. These always are in plural form.